Hi, my name is Rashnishwin.
My name is Yasakil.
We are from Kanji Sri Shankara Academy, Metric High Secondary School, Thothukudi, Tiruchendur. Our project title is Low-Cost Smart Voice Control Wheelchair for Disabled Person. Why we choose this topic means there are several contemporary wheelchairs for crippled, old and paralyzed. However, the functions of this wheelchair depends on operator or joystick, and old folks requires assistance in traveling from one location to another location or to a kill.
To avoid such a problem, we presented a solution called low-cost smart voice control wheelchair for paralyzed people. Paralyzed people can easily operate the wheelchair by giving commands like move forward, move backward, turn right, turn left and stop. The suggested wheelchair consists of a smartphone app and a Bluetooth device that connects the phone by giving commands like via mobile or
Our project consists of an Arduino Uno HC05 Bluetooth module, IBD motor drivers, two 12-volt batteries, two 12-volt motor, and a smartphone mobile app. Let us see the demo. This wheelchair can be controlled by an app called RoboBuy. It can be downloaded from the Play Store. It is a free version. Let us see the demo now. Forward, stop, backward, stop, right, stop, left, stop.